Yes friends, in this lesson we start by exploring the width and height utilities in Tailwind CSS. Okay, for example, W96 gives a specific pixels. Let's do it. I come here and then I delete these, I say div and then I use class name V96 for example. As you see, it gives me these pixels. Okay, I save it and then I come here, I right click and open with div server. Nothing appears because I don't write anything inside this div. I can write it some text. Okay, let's do it. You see, I inspect element, it gives this width values. Okay, or we can use any other values. We can use also percentage. If I use vfull, it gives width 100%. For example, I come here, I say width full, it gives width 100%. Okay, I can also use the fraction. For example, if I use W 1 divided by 2, it gives width 50%. But if I use here another div, I say 1 divided by 2, and then I copy this div. I come here, I paste it. So you see, it starts from the next line because div has a display block behavior. So what I need to do, I can use a parent div and then I can give display flex for this. I come here, we don't know display flex yet, but we know from the CSS. So I cut it and then I paste it. I say class flex. So the default behavior of the flex is flex direction is row. It means they come to the same line. Okay, I can change the fraction. For example, I come here. The first one can be 1 divided by 5 and then the second one can be 4 divided by 5. If I do that, I come here, I refresh, you see it becomes like that. 20% is my first div contains 20%, my second div contains 80%. Okay. Tailwind also supports custom pixel values using bracket notation. For example, I come here, I can say W and then I open my square brackets and then I say 5 pixel for example. If I use it, you see it becomes like that. It contains 5 pixels. Okay, I take it back. I refresh, yes. So let's continue with height. Height is similar with width. I can use height 96, height 64, something like that. And then if I use half-full, it gives height 100%. If I use fraction value, h1 divided by 2 means height 50%. I can use like that. So the similar behavior, like height has a similar behavior with width. Okay. So let's come to the size. Size has a specific width and height values. So I come here, I can say div, I open div tag and then I say flex, and then I give size class. I say size, for example, 32. As you see, it gives width 128 pixels and then height 128 pixels. Okay. If I use background color, I say BG amber 500 for example. And then let's copy these and paste it. The second one can be BG cyan 500. So let's check it. I come here. You see, size has specific width and height values. So I use display flex as a container div, so it comes to the same line. Okay, if I don't use it, you see, if I don't use it, div has a block behavior, display block behavior, and the appearance is this. I hope you understand it. Size has a specific width and height values. We will use it in our project. See you in the next lesson.